everybody, welcome to the Oblong Box Shop tutorial on my swirling turbans. So a lot of people have been asking me how you tie my turbans. So my turbans are a little bit different than some of the others that are on the market. These are not stretchy. You do have to tie them, and they're made from 100% cotton. So I pulled one today. This is my mystical print one, and it glows in the dark. It's pretty easy. These are 8 inches wide. Is it 8? Yeah, 8 inches wide by 80 inches long. They're really long, so it gives you that full turban kind of look that looks so cool. So what I do, it's so easy. I just fold it in half right here, like this, long ways, and then you fold it in half down the middle, just like this. Kind of find the middle of it. Right here, so it's gonna look like this. Fold it in half and fold it in half. Like this, and then like this, right? So you're just gonna take it, and it's so easy. I'm gonna do the folded side towards the front here, like this. And then you just twist it, fold it over on the back. I don't tie it in the back because then it'll be too bumpy. I just do it like this, and then you pull it on top in the front, just like this. I literally made this up. And then you just tie it. You can tie it however many times you like. I usually do 3 times, so this is 2, and then 1 more to really give it that kind of like fun, full turban knot in the front. And then you just take the sides and you just tuck it in. You're gonna tuck it under the band that comes around the front, so you still have a nice flat base, you know, right here. So this is a flat, and then this is the part that came around the front, and then you tuck this side in. It's kind of hard, but you want it tight, so it's good to do it like that. And there you go. I mean, it's super easy peasy. I'm tucking my hair in the back. My hair is pretty short right now, so you just kind of adjust it, you know, center it like that so the knot's right in the front. And then, you know, it depends on how long your hair is. If you have your hair up, it just goes around your hair. I like to bring out my little side pieces of my hair like this, like that full, the kind of 1920s kind of look. And then this is what the back looks like. I just tuck my hair in right here. I usually spray it a lot with a lot of hairspray so it'll stay in. But I don't even need to put bobby pins on. It just stays on because it's 100% cotton. It really grips to your hair. And pretty much that's it. Easy peasy. Mystical turbans. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and shoot me an email. Each turban comes with a band that has a tutorial on the back on how to tie it. But this will be up on my blog, and it'll be on the Swirling Turbans collection there for you all the time. So, all right guys, have a great day. Bye.